It's a thermostat. They say the unit is not turning on at all or not cooling. I see we got fan on. I don't hear anything. See on the thermostat? See it say fan on.
Yeah, I got you.
It's not doing anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the system on cool. I'll put that fan on auto. And we still don't have nothing. So this is our filter section. Filter kind of 30.
Okay, so you have spinal stenosis.
So normally, since we don't have any airflow, our problem might be up here. As you can see right here, and it's not doing anything. See this? It's a light switch. So a lot of times you'll come up here and this will be off.
Right.
But it'll be the furnace, and they turn the furnace off. But you see this light switch up here? I'm sure that's for the furnace. But this one I'm gonna turn on just so we can have some light. And we're gonna try to figure out why this furnace not turning on. So first thing I'm gonna do is now we're gonna check. We're just gonna check if we got incoming power in. Okay, so we do got power to the furnace. First thing we check, we got high voltage. Take the door off. So I don't see no door safety switch on here nowhere. Like I say, so the first thing I want to check, we do have power. All right, but you can see on this control board, remember the LED? I said we had to count the blinks, but this LED is blank. So that tells me that either, now we gotta check to see if we got 24 volts. Let's see if we got the right amount of voltage. Borrow the meter. So nope, now we know we got high voltage. Now we gotta see if we got low voltage. So I'm gonna turn my meter to volts.
Okay.
All right. So the transformer right here. Put that 0.
Yup.
Let's check it out, make sure. Bagging some of these dudes. Oh, I just seen a red light click on when it did that. So anyway, so I got 24 volts. I don't know if you seen, I seen that red light click on.
Nah, I ain't catch it with the camera because it's behind the meter.
I don't know why it clicked on like that. So I want to see if I got 24 volts to this board. Yeah, so I got 24 to the board. Because it's going through this harness right here.
Right.
So we know we got 24 volts to the board, but we don't have anything coming out. So next thing I want to do is my terminal block right here. I'm gonna go from R to C. Okay. So I got 24 volts there. All right. But now just look around, see if I see a fuse, which I don't. Oh, yes I do. So that's a fuse right here. See this fuse? So I'm gonna take this off. Matter of fact, I'm trying to light off first. When my furnace disconnect, I'm turning this off first. pull this fuse out. And this fuse is still good. So that's gonna tell me we're gonna have a bad board. If this fuse is good, remember continuity, the way we check our fuses. All right, so to check these fuses, you can check continuity or you can do a visual. If you see this fuse is not blown, it still look like it's intact. See a little S thing on it. But also, just to double check, you can check ohms or continuity. Okay, you should get a beep. All right.
Yep.
So it means that circuit is closed. All right, so we're gonna put this back on. And I'm gonna make sure we rule out the thermostat. So I'm turning the power back on. Got that little blink. So I'm looking, okay. Can you see this right here? So when it says steady off, that means normal operation. So we do not supposed to have a LED right now. On the board, there's LED.
Right.
Because it says normal operation is off.
Right.
That's why I say sometimes each manufacturer is different. Sometimes you can have a heartbeat for a steady pulse.
For normal operation.
Right. So this one is off, so they're doing it what it's supposed to do. Because also we're going to make sure that, okay, so I got 24 volts here. I mean, my transformer good. Put on bolts. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna go from common to green. I got 0. It means that thermostat is not calling for it. I'm gonna go to common to Y1. It's 0. It's not calling for it. All right. See that?
Yep.
Not calling for it. Let's go to this thermostat right now. Let me see it. Good. I'm gonna go to this thermostat. I got suspicious of this thermostat. All right, thermostat. Lower the set point. I'm gonna put this at 70.
I say, brother, do you have to wear pads? Do you leak urine or you are good?
Actually, I started leaking a little bit every now and again.
All right, I just hear the click on. Is the fan turn on? Yep.
No, I just heard something click on, but I ain't heard the blower. It ain't the blower for me.
Yeah. So that blower's not coming on. The unit probably freezing up. So we got power to the blower, but it's not coming on. But she got a new carrier evaporator and condenser out there. Yeah. So we're gonna check the amps. So we got 0 amps. What we got right here? 9.1. Let's see if we can get over in here. Over there, bro. Get the condenser on so that coil can start freezing up. Really, that probably want to be one of the first things we look at too. See how this thing operates. Troubleshooting bad boy could have been a waste of time. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off.
Mm-hmm.
All right. That's our motor here. Oh wee, the whole motor done fell down.
Yep.
Go right there. The whole motor done fell. Alright, that motor no good, man. You hold that. No good. No motor, no bueno. messed up at. See it right here? Broke right here. Look, I'm on this side. See it right here?
Yep.
So the mount. Somebody need a whole new furnace.
What it look like down at the bottom of it?
What?
Where it fell at.
minute. All right, well, let me see how I'm gonna write this up. All right, folks, so we're gonna put a request in just to replace this furnace, but as you can see, this blower motor has been replaced before, but you can see a technician, when they replaced this motor, they probably stripped out these 3/8 screws right here. Remember I was telling you, even when we put these in, you gotta really take your time. You don't want to strip these out, because you gotta use the extra like 5/16 self-tapper. You have to mount it, but it never be even or balanced. And if this motor shake, that's what's going to create that issue right there, just being off balance. And then the motor shaking, it's just going to create a hole. But anyway, too much we can do with this one. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. We on to the next. All right. All right, HVAC people, so we are going to be upgrading this thermostat. We're back with the furnace. I'll take that down. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, that's the furnace, just like we left it. All right. Go ahead, take that blower out. Be careful where your gloves at. All right, folks, so we're gonna get started. Take our electrical. I say we can. I would take this. Ain't no really nothing wrong with this part of the furnace. All it needs is a blower motor.
Mm-hmm.
Be a good practice furnace. All right. Now, thermostat. So my thermostat. So remember your thermostat wire, you already got two wires.
Mm-hmm.
One gonna be coming to your condenser unit. Remember them two wires out there?
Right.
You know this your condenser wire because you use all
Yeah, because it's running
up to the armor flex. Yeah, this your thermostat wire. Thermostat wire, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Cut both of these right here. Yank that out. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So now we got us a little spare board. Throw that in the truck. Alright. And people, we don't use spare parts. So if a customer, if we go diagnose a part from a customer, if I do have a spare part of my truck, I want to charge them for it. I just put it on there just so they can hack and heat or cooling for that day. And we'll come back and put a new one on there. But we don't do used parts. All right, set that out the way. So now, this is my gas right here.
Okay.
So now, see that gas valve? Turn it off. It looks like it's already off. So
yeah, so
turn it on. I just want. Did you know the difference off and on? It's straight.
It'll close it right here. It's straight, yeah.
Well,
And open.
now.
It's open now.
Right. Go close that. All right. Now I'm gonna hook. You go ahead and hook this. Unhook. Gas. Left just like to do this. Make sure that
No pressure coming through.
yeah, make sure that sometimes you can have a bad valve.
Right.
And it don't close all the way. All right, so this one here we're gonna need a pipe wrench.
Okay.
Pause them around to get it.
All right.
I like to move all this poop and stuff. So just watch me do it now. In the future, that's what you'll be doing.
Yes, sir.
Just take it through. Here. All these screws.
One on the opposite side.
Oh. All right.
Got one more.
What about?
Yeah. Is the pin? Is that locking it?
Like lagging.
Yeah.
All right. Let me see your drift.
Mm-hmm. It's right on it. Mm-hmm.
The screws will script out on you.
Right.
It's really hard to get out.
Yeah.
Bad angle.
Cause that pookie, huh?
Let's cut to it. See a knife?
What you think about the 80s? Get to the 80s today?
What they say? Target.
It is, folks.
Let's take it off.
Gotta get that bottom.
All right, let's get it up. So we're gonna pick it up. So you're gonna have to lift it on your own.
Yeah.
Till we get the right here.
To military first.
Yeah. All right, pick it up.
Yep.
Pick it up from the bottom. All right, HVAC people. Hey, we got this furnace set, but I just kind of want to show you so we can have some future callbacks. Let's look up inside there. Remember I tell you?
Oh yeah, the debris.
Like old wasses. Huh?
Yup.
Old was head. Yeah. Where you go? That was nest. So what happens is, clean all that out for me. When this exhaust fan turns on,
Right.
because it's gonna turn this to a vacuum.
All right.
And it's gonna suck up in all that debris. Remember I told you in our furnace, look, remember this thing right here?
Yeah, and then the
Like on the pressure switch, we gotta clean that out.
Right.
Cause all them dead wasses.
I'll end up in there.
Yeah. Or even if this exhaust can't breathe, we want to pull the correct vacuum.
Right.
Got like that negative 0.70. But that should be good.
So this will hook up here, right? Because reason why I say because it was right here.
Right. So all they do was just put this right here. So
So you can just take it off.
Yeah.
I got
And
you.
then we'll put it over there. I think in that bag with the instructions,
And it'll be right there. All right.
Hey, remember that instructions though? Or do you have 4 screws? But look in that bag. Remember the warranty? The bag that was with the
Came with it.
instructions in it. Yeah, there should be some screws in there, extra screws. Get those. And also those 4 screws though. Come back and get screwed on. So you ain't got none in your pocket. Now look at the screws.
Oh, I
that
got
came
these.
with. Yeah, I think them black screws though, the same screws that come with it. Just the black one. No, go
They
get
got
the
a
bag.
couple subtypes. All right.
Go get the bag.
I got you.
Man, that difficult to knock out. Somebody ain't budging. I'm about to run and get something to make that work. I'm gonna go get something to make that work. See that nail right there?
Mm-hmm.
I'll wrap that
All
right
right.
and replace them out. Sometimes you need an 8-foot ladder.
Mm-hmm.
You heard her started chirping?
Yeah, I heard it. And that's a big problem in a lot of people's homes. A lot of people have batteries down, they smoke detectors, and they just
Smoke detector.
leave them like that for years.
Yeah. It just become white noise.
Right.
Smoke
They don't even hear it anymore.
Smoke detectors and CO2.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Very important.
Right.
But this furnace right here, that's our job.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That's a part of heating, ventilation, air conditioning.
Mm-hmm.
So that's another service we can offer. This probably been doing that for so long, she don't hear it.
Mm-hmm.
And especially if something do happen, all things catch on fire, and she don't even have no smoke detector to warn her.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I count the thermostat wires. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm-hmm.
All right. That's color code. Remember my thermostat, right? Well, this is the control board,
Right.
But my thermostat is down there. Remember, you already hooked up the thermostat,
Right.
but the same thing. You kind of gotta like line up, cause you'll see on this control board where it says a C, a W,
Right.
a R.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna line them up exactly like that.
Okay.
All right. So all we need is 5 wires, though. All right. So we're not gonna use the brown. Some people use brown for common. We're gonna use, well, actually we're not gonna use blue. I like to use brown for common and blue if we had a second stage of cool or heat.
Right.
So W gonna be my heat,
Mm-hmm.
my white
Mm-hmm.
heat. Remember, fan is always green.
Right.
My red for my 24-volt power.
Right. Common.
Common
It's brown.
kind of like 24-volt power.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I'm gonna get my 24-volt. And we got this yellow for my cooling.
Gotcha.
All right. I'm gonna stick this open here. Actually, my yellow for cool. I'll probably hook it up straight to the thermal.
Right.
My condenser. Remember that condenser wire? Can
Mhm.
you bring that to me?
Gotcha.
It'll be right there. All right, let's go behind here. All right. Go right in here. And my condenser was only two wires going out there to that contact.
Mm-hmm.
nuts. Where your 8 and 1?
It's down there. It's down there. That's a very handy screwdriver though.
All right, let's see if we can get a close up on here. All right, about
You think you better see that? Mm-hmm.
my eyes good though. I had it laser surgery, but it's still the glass will make it more crisp. Oh man, I got a bad than this screwdriver here. I'm not gonna do it. Right tools. So you're a lot of trouble and time. All right, so that's my red for R1. What we got here? See G for green, so my green is here. Got a common. Remember I said I was gonna use brown for common. And man, we always gotta have common at our contact outside. So I'm gonna use this white and double it up with this common here.
All right.
Got that. So while one, I can either, I was gonna use wire nuts, but I think I'm just gonna put it on my board. They do have a float switch I gotta wire in too. All right. My heat is over here. W. Alert.
You got the one last night too?
Alright. Hope they find me safe. Alrighty. So now, you just gotta hook up our high voltage. You want to step back?
Yeah.
High voltage here. Alright, so what we're going to do here is take these off. Remember I had them wiring up?
Yeah, but I'm trying. Let me see. Let me look.
come down to it, in a situation with your family or something, hey, y'all need some heating and cooling, you better, hey, save some money and install it yourself.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? That's how you get ahead in life. Hey,
Yup.
doing this stuff like this. Well, I don't know. Some people say make a lot of money and pay somebody else to do it though. I'm kind of cheap like that. I still cut my own grass and everything. So I use that time. You know what I'm saying? I still get self-gratification out of cutting my own grass stuff too. So.
Yeah, it's therapeutic.
Yeah, therapeutic. I mean, smell that good grass.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Walking, exercising.
Right.
I ain't got no problem with it. Alright, so bam. Wire nut. Like I said, I'm letting the wire nut do all the work.
Right.
I'm not trying to twist it before.
Mm-hmm.
Let the wire nut twist. You know what I'm saying?
That's what it's for.
Yeah. When you first start, you'll want to do this.
Right. Naturally.
Yeah. Nah, just let it do its thing. It's all ground right here. When the ground is pretty much always green, that's why they got that little nut right there.
Right.
I tell you, the ground was always green though. That's why when you got a green wire, try not to never use it for power.
All right.
Cause you're gonna confuse somebody. It hurt them. Cause we'll get in some situations sometimes where, man, that's all we got is a green wire. You wanna get out of there?
Don't do it.
Can't do that. Say this unit got to be grounded because if something happens if you touch this unit, you'll get shot.
Okay.
That's why we ground it. What we're looking like. Oh, I say, why ain't no power? That's safe and sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, they already calling me cool. They're ready to cool now.
Let's do it.
So all we gotta do now is just button it up.
All
Hey,
right.
So I'm gonna let you put. I'm gonna turn it off.
All right.
Put all the doors back on. Clean up. You see how they pook it? How I was doing it?
Yep.
Just go pook it all around.
I
And
got
you.
you.
Gotta get up under there.
Get under it.
Yeah.
I got you.
You know our two creases.
Yeah.
This side, don't worry about. Just return. This side, yeah, and just do it neatly. You know what I'm saying? Just only get it on your tape.
All right.
All right, folks. So I was installing my new gas line right here, and I noticed they didn't even have this glued in, so that's a disaster waiting to happen. Like I said, we didn't install the evaporator coil. I guess they put a new secondary pan in here, but forgot to pipe it up. So if this thing would have ever leaked, it was just gonna pull right out of here. And you can see where They just didn't glue it at all. So I'm gonna cut this back and glue that in there. Okay, like I said, that'd have been a disaster waiting to happen, folks. So we're gonna get them straightened out. All right.
I'm gonna go ahead and work on getting this thermostat out real quick.
All right. All right, folks. Cut it too short then. All right, so this is a flow switch right here. We're gonna go ahead and make sure we install that. I like to kill power only to my condenser unit, just in case it's water or something in the pan.
Okay.
It'll evaporate.
All right.
Yeah. I don't know if residential that's necessary, but commercial we do that. Residential, sometimes I think about just shutting the whole unit off, so it won't cool or heat. All right, so all I'm gonna do is cut that. Put us a wire nut on it. This red is my contactor going to my condenser unit. And all this is continuity right here. Right now I still have continuity, but when that flow switch and that drain line, you won't have continuity to red.
All right.
Got 5 wires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fan, heat, common.
24 volts and cool.
Cool. Yep. These are the best thermostats in the world. Nest. Some people hate these thermostats. A lot of technicians.
It's the
A
same.
lot of old.
You had this in your house, don't you?
Yeah, I like it too. It don't give me no problem. They last just as long as other. And long as they been in business, they getting better and better.
Right.
A lot of older technicians, they just be stubborn. They.
Yeah.
All them old Goodman units ain't just a bunch of stereotypes. So she got the black face. So this right here. Think we should go with the plate?
Yeah, definitely.
All right. Go with the plate, man. Screwdriver. So light. Gotta put it in there like this. Take this out. Put it in there. Alright. Make sure it's level. You bubble in the middle. We're good. Ooh-wee. Enough meat on that. Very important how this mounted properly.
Right on.
That. Okay, so same thing. Match it up with our control board. We're gonna go with common first. Stick it right in there. All right. And let's go with 24 volt. We'll find out if this is correct. So we're gonna go. Let's go RC. Or do we go R8? Sometimes they get confusing. Which one you're supposed to use? Anybody in the comment section below, y'all can let us know. If you're using common, do you use the RC, or common, do you use the RH? If it don't connect, we just swap them over. All right, that's Y1. Got our fan. just mount the plate. Also, I do like to use gloves when I'm putting these on because you use handprint oil and stuff on them thermostat. All right, I'm gonna turn power. Light up.
Yep.
Man. Sometimes you put my foot in the mouth when I give a compliment thermostat like this.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you're dealing with younger people, they better at technology.
Yeah.
I was thinking about this lady right here.
You don't know if she'll be able to
gotta
deal
do-
with it.
She got to do the Google Home.
Right.
Because she want to connect it to the phone.
Right.
It's simple though, but let me go ahead and all right, so setup steps. Let's do equipment. I'm a pro. Incorrect settings would cause. We're gonna continue. Because even no, 0.
3.
Hmm.
3.
I said 960, right?
3.
Okay.
And then
Okay. You turn away on these last 3 digits because I don't want to. All right, complete the check. All right, so we got a conventional cooling. Our heat source is it's not electric. Okay, here we go. Power, fan, electric. Okay, so we got gas, right? Natural gas, so we're gonna use this one. All right, force air, so we're gonna continue. Done. I don't know if you want to use the Nest app or what. Add to your account, you'll be able to control your Nest thermostat remotely. Oh man, don't want to do nothing now. Excuse me, Miss Clara.
Yeah.
How do you want to control your thermostat? With your phone?
You said?
How do you want to control your thermostat?
What are the options?
Your phone
Yeah.
or here?
No, phone is fine. I don't climb.
Okay. All right. Want to come up for us?
Okay, let me just quickly.
Yeah, you're gonna have to install some apps, and we're on the time crunch. So if you don't have time now, we're gonna have to
No,
come
I'm
back.
just trying to pay you. You send me a text.
Okay. Oh yeah. Well,
I'm just
we
bringing
definitely rather you do that. Take care of that. We ain't gonna slow you down on that now. Do you have Gmail?
no ma'am, no more people.
Jesus. God is good. Thank you so much. God bless you guys.
No problem.
It's already installed. We get this out. Wait, don't show that QR code because people do some crazy stuff.
Right.
Come on, connect. Because sometimes these things need charging because you don't know how much shelf life on it. If it got a weak battery, it don't like to connect.
All right.
Okay. All right. So now select your Wi-Fi. Take this to her
All right.
and select the Wi-Fi in green.
Right.
That's how you know it's connected.
Connected.
Go
Gotcha.
to next. This the entire. Well, we're gonna do hallway because she's gonna add some sensors.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it might not take that long for them sensors.
Upstairs.
Yeah, do upstairs. Next. We don't do no eco. Let's do cooling. Got it. Oh, I should have did decline. That's okay though. Okay. We're gonna turn it on. Cool mode. Continue. Yeah, click on.
I heard it turn on out there, yep.
Alright, we're gonna do the test later. Okay. So it's matching up. She able to use.
Right.
Run and get them sensors. We're just gonna put it right here.
All right.
Okay, thank you so much. Did you get the payment?
Did you get it?
Yep. Yes, we did receive the payment. We got notification.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
All right. So it says it's 75 in here now. It's going to take 30 minutes
So
to reach the
if I
78
order-
degrees.
Okay, so
All right, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Let's see. It's kind of warm in the house, but we verified the heating and the cooling is operating properly. Right now, those sensors, we got
one, one
got
installed.
one installed. Okay. We got that one there. Okay, got that one in that bedroom. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on cool mode. All right, so you can go ahead and finish installing those. We're gonna put this in cool mode. All right, HVAC people, so I think we started off this video with troubleshooting a blower motor. Hindsight, I wish I would went right to the blower motor, but that was a good troubleshooting, good learning experience for Will also.
Definitely.
But that's a wrap. That's a furnace install and what, 3 Nest sensors and a Nest thermostat. All right, HVAC people, we out. All right. All right. Well, this one going downstairs.
Mm-hmm. In the living room. Family room.
All right.
Pool.
All right, folks, we changed that battery out also. 9-volt energizer.
okay.
Well, your bedroom right now is 74 degrees up in there. Your family room,
Here,
right, it's 79 degrees up in here. And the master bedroom
it's
is
77.
77. Okay, so that's the upstairs bedroom.
Because I think I turned on my space heater. It was kind of cold.
Okay, so yeah, that's your master bedroom. And so to control it, your thermostat, to just turn it on, you just
Don't hit on it. That's
you
it.
just tap that, and you can either press the up and down arrows like this, and that's
Okay.
your set point. And you know, it's 77 degrees. You got a 77 degree temperature right now. Okay, that's
Okay.
your master bedroom though.
Oh, that's cool.
So, but that's the master bedroom.
Okay.
Okay, so that just let the upstairs thermostat control it. Or do you want your master bedroom to control the temperature, or the family room?
Now I want my
That's it.
master bedroom to control the temperature.
You want your master bedroom to control the temperature all the time.
Yes,
So
yeah.
we're gonna. You see where I'm putting the dot right here though?
Yes.
So your master bedroom,
Controls
you
everything.
see that's 77.
Okay.
Where it's trying to satisfy your master bedroom.
Okay.
So you got it at 73 right now.
no, it's not too cold.
That's not. What do you normally like it?
78.
78. Okay. So 78.
Okay, let's just make 77. Okay.
Okay, let's do 77. And now it's going to try to maintain 77
Okay.
degrees.
Everywhere. Okay.